This site is called QuickKey, and QuickKey is a site you use for assessments. There is a free and a paid version for it. So Dashboard is the page I'm on right now. So it has your account status, resources and help, newsfeed, and then all the things that are on this side. Creating a quiz, creating a course, creating a student-run report, as well as recent quizzes that you have taken with quick results. The next part, if you go down to students, this is how you would add students or classes. There's a few ways you can add students. So you could just add them in manually one by one. You could upload a class roster. You can just go straight from your Google Classroom. You can download class rosters, and you can print student tickets right here as well. Then it will show you all the students that you have in and what course they're in. If you go up to courses, if you download a class or student from Google Classroom, it'll automatically create a class from you. So this is what I downloaded. It starts with an example course, so you can look through that and all of your students. On this page, you can also print blank bubble sheets. Bubble sheets, you can only print so many with the free version. If you have the paid version, you can have more. So with QuickKey, there's also an app you can download on your cell phone or an iPad, and it just will quickly scan the bubble sheets and do the grading for you. So that's another feature this has. You can print the students' tickets here as well. Then if we go down to quizzes, this is where you will create quizzes. You can still run reports from quizzes here. The bubble sheets you can print from this page as well. So you can click on your quiz name, or if you needed to start a new quiz, you can start a new quiz, and I'll demonstrate how to start a quiz in the next video. Then if I wanted to run a report, I could click Run Report. Then I'm just going to choose what quiz I want. So it'll have a list of all your quizzes already. And then there's 4 different types of reports that you could run. So I'm going to show you those 4 different reports and what they look like. So then into reports, if I happen to build a report from the last page, it would bring me to this page anyways. So I can also run a report right here. This shows all the ones I've already ran. So we're going to go through the types of reports. So this is student itemized report. So it will have the number, the answer of the student, and possible points earned. So this is just for student 1002. And then the next page would be your other students. The other type of report you could run is called the quiz itemization report. So you'd see each of the students would have their own row, what questions they got wrong, correct, and then their percentage over here. So that one tells quite a bit more information than the first one. This one is Quiz Legacy Itemization Report. So this one just tells you the very basic stuff. The student number, what they put on the questions, how many they got wrong, and how many that got correct, and then their score. As well as at the bottom, it'll give your whole class average. And then the last report is the Practice 1 score sheet. So this is just a score sheet. Practice 1 was my name of my quiz. So this one I think is a little bit harder to read. It just is super basic, how many questions they got correct, and then like their percentages and stuff. So personally, I like the quiz itemization report the best, as I think it gives you the most from what you're looking for. This is called QuickKey, and watch the next video to see how to create quizzes.